how to make scary stories with AI. So I will introduce to you these tools: ChatGPT, Leonardo AI, CapCut, and you should have your YouTube channel in case you wanted to upload the video. So let's start with ChatGPT. In ChatGPT, you just have to ask ChatGPT to give you at least 10 scary YouTube channel name ideas, and all you have to do is to select one. So let's just say I will use this name. Go to my YouTube studio, scroll down, go to customization, and then paste it underneath. Okay, for the description, we can go back to ChatGPT again and ask for a YouTube description for this channel name. So you can ask ChatGPT for that, press enter, and next is you just have to copy this YouTube description sample. You can ask more or create your own, but of course, you can also ask ChatGPT for it. Once done, tap on Save or Publish. You can also add a logo here and banner to your YouTube channel. You can use Canva or Leonardo AI. All you have to do is to create an account. Don't worry, this one is for free. So once you have created an account, you have to look for image. Then you can add keywords here or prompt. So for example, you want to ask a YouTube channel logo. You can ask for that. Make sure that it's the same ratio with YouTube. So just add it right here. And as you can see, you only have 150 coins free per day. So press enter or tap this 14 coins right here. Wait for a couple of seconds and you should see the result right away. Here are the results, and I can select this one right here. Download, go back to YouTube, upload. Here is my YouTube channel logo. And then next is for YouTube channel banner. You can go back again to Leonardo AI and then ask a sample for YouTube channel banner here. Then it will show you some samples. You can specify, of course, scary pictures. Also, you can go to Canva and then look for create a design, then type YouTube channel. You should see the exact size right here, banner size, and all you have to do is to follow this one. So let's just say you have selected a specific picture from Leonardo AI. You need to download that one and then go back to your Canva, upload this image right here or picture right here. And then you need to follow the size, press share, download, make sure it's PNG or JPEG, upload, and it's up to you if you want to place it like this or with its specific area of this picture. Once done, tap on publish and you have your scary YouTube channel already. Next is we're going to create a script. So you can go back to ChatGPT and ask for a script. For example, haunted house stories, something like that, but everything is up to you. Then ChatGPT will give you a sample script. Next, once you have your script, is you have to go to 11 Labs. So this one is for free. So just go to 11 Labs, create an account, and then scroll down, look for text to speech. Now you're going to paste the script right here and then choose a voice, select a voice. You can search, for example, scary voice woman, something like that. And 11 Labs will show you some samples. And all you have to do is to select one. Okay, for example, this one, copy, paste. And then you need to select the voice, add this to your library or add this voice. After that, generate. You can listen, download. Now, next is we're going to generate some pictures with the help of this script right here or prompt from ChatGPT. All you have to do is to paste it to Leonardo AI, enter, and then you will see here pictures that you can use for your video or for your horror video. So all you have to do is to download these pictures. You can ask more if you want, but for the sake of the tutorial, I will be downloading a few pictures only. Once you have your voice and your picture, you can go to choose it and then look for a background music for free, for example, horror. Then you can select and download it right here. So once you have your pictures, the voiceover, and you have your background music, it's time to go to your CapCut and then drag these pictures here. You can select the ratio. For example, it's for YouTube or TikTok. Just look for ratio and then change. You can add the pictures. You can add the voiceover, background music, and add effects right here. And then after that, you should see the result right away. And here's a sample.
Whisper started at midnight, but when I turned on the light, the shadows kept moving and they were getting.
Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.